There's no question that farm animals can make great pets for kids. But with so many different types of animals to choose from, how do you know which ones are the best fit for your family? Here are a few things to consider when choosing the best farm animals for kids. 1. Size. Some farm animals, like horses and cows, can be quite large. That might be fine if you have a lot of space for them to roam, but it might not be ideal if you live in a small house or apartment. 2. Temperament. Some animals, like pigs and chickens, can be quite docile. Others, like goats and sheep, can be a bit more high-strung. Consider your child's personality and energy level when choosing an animal. 3. Maintenance. Some animals, like rabbits and guinea pigs, require very little maintenance. Others, like horses and cows, require a lot of care and attention. Consider how much time you're willing to spend caring for an animal before making your decision. 4. Cost. Farm animals can be expensive, so be sure to factor that into your decision. Horses, for example, require regular vet care, while chickens can be relatively inexpensive to keep. 5. Allergies. If your child is allergic to animals, you'll need to take that into consideration when choosing a farm animal. Horses, for example, produce a lot of dander, which can be a problem for some kids.
Please like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.